this way, right?
Indigenous.
Indigenous.
Now.
I'm ready.
All right. So we have geese.
Can I cut one?
Yeah. Okay, so Nashke, here you hold this. You be the
Okay.
cameraman. Oh, you want to hold the fish?
Okay. I don't want to hold it.
Well, we don't say ew, okay? It feels a little weird, but we respect.
It's
that
so
fish.
squishy, Mom.
Yeah, he's so squishy, but we respect him so much. He's giving us life. So we don't say ew. Even if we think ew, we let it go. We say, whoa, thank you for your life. Here, hold it. I'll show you. You make a video of the fish. I'll show you what to do. So, Nashke.
Oh, that's... Oh, I like it when you cut that fish.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. That's his body.
Yep. He gave us his body to give us life. And then, Nashke, just kind of... Boom. And we're going to give the eagles the guts.
You.
No, we're not going to say ew because we're going to think, oh, we respect this fish so much. Then we take this, we put in the sink so we can wash him. Okay?
Okay.
Gabby Basic, you want to do it?
Yeah.
You want to cut it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I won't say you.
All right. Here you go. So, you're going to cut him right behind this.
Oh, wait. I can't.
Just a little bit. Try it.
I can't hold his tail because he will wig me.
Okay, I'll hold him.
Okay.
You're doing good.
First the body.
First, cut behind the head. Oops.
This head?
Yep.
Okay.
Right there. Here, I'll put it where it goes and then you cut it. I'll put his head where it goes and you cut it. On your mark, get set. Freaking me out, girl. Be safe with the scissors. Okay, wait. I'll put the fish in there. Okay, just cut there. Oh. There. Oh, 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 oh. We don't want to cut all the way through, just a little bit.
I did.
All right. Did you? You did. Okay. Now where? Now cut right there.
The body?
Yep, from here. Nope, going. Stuck the scissors.
Stop!
Hey, girl.
Stop moving.
Hey. Put your scissors right. Look in my camera.
Right through his
See
tail?
See that pink part? Poke it in there. One part of the scissors.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
All right, do it.
I can't see.
Okay, I'm out of your way. Open the scissors up. Open the scissors. Put one part in there. Gentle. Don't get me. And cut. You almost did it. You want me to do this part? You got this. Okay, Becca. Okay, now.
I did it a little
Okay, yeah. Now keep it going. You gotta cut all the way along the belly to the head.
I can't.
Okay?
I can't.
Okay. No, you did good. Okay, yeah, we'll take turns. Here, you can hold this.
I want you to do it.
Okay, hold it.
I want you to do it.
I'm doing it. Okay, ready? So see, like this.
No, I'm not doing that.
Oh, okay.
I'm just watching you.
All right, good plan. I'll go slow. You sure you don't want to try again?
No.
All right. There.
Good.
Then what do I do?
Cut the head.
Take this all out, all the way.
And then you had to give it to the spirits.
Hey, you're right. That's what we're gonna give that stuff to the spirits. Boom. To the Migaze, right?
I want to say ear again.
Good job. I'm proud of you for having respect for the fish. He thinks.
We can watch that.
Yep, we will. I think that's a good video. We'll say me ew mnick. Say me ew mnick. We're gonna keep cleaning these
Say
without.
mew and
All right. Now press that button.